My name is the Old Mechanic, and over here we have a Z1000 Kawasaki. Beautiful bike. And today I'm going to show you how you can do your own maintenance. In this case, an oil change. Is that difficult? No way. What do we need? We need a socket 17 mil, a ratchet, this socket to get the oil filter off, and it says it's a Chinese thing, FN005, and a lot of Chinese things, marks, language onto it, and all the way around a ratchet, and of course a waste bin. We need oil. This is my favorite brand. I don't get paid for it. I wish I would. But it's Castrol Power RS 10W40. I always use that oil because it's good. Never had a problem with it. So, never change a winning team. Then we have the oil filter. And it's the high flow filter, the HF 303, also a good brand. Not too expensive, and also never had a problem with it. Use it for all my bikes I had over the years. I never had a problem with the oil filter. So that's what we're going to use. We need the tablet for the torque. For the oil drain plug we need a new copper washer. This is the old one. Here we got the new one. It's, let's see, 12 mil. 12 mil. So, over here is the oil drain plug. Hop. Oh, get it out. Hoppa. And over here is the oil filter. First we're gonna loosen it. No. And now we let it drain for well, a day or so. Got all the time in the world. First thing we're gonna do is clean this one. So, then we screw in this one. The oil drain plug needs to be torqued at 29 Newton meters. So here we got my torque range. I'm gonna set it to 29. That's 26 plus 3. Hoppa. Hoppa. Okay. Start. Then we go. And that's a bit difficult to see, but wait a minute. Yes, nicely clean. Okay, then we got the oil filter. Screw it on by hand. Okay, up, up, up. Yes, the oil filter had to be torqued with 17 Newton meters. Okay, then, so we're gonna fill it with oil. Usually this is really tight. I use my, carefully, and then, easy as that. Now, up. We take the funnel, but first we give it a good clean. What I always do, take a piece of paper, put it in there, and then push it up. So now it's nicely clean. Up. Then we take the oil, we start pouring in oil. Even. Now, let's have a look. Oh no, over here is the oil level glass, but it's not even at the bottom. Starts to be seen. So up. First, I always go a little bit higher as maximum level, because the engine is completely dry. So I know by my experience that it always needs a little more than that. So, because, oops, there is some in the oil filter and all the oil pockets. Okay, now it's, yes, okay. Now we're gonna open the door and start up the engine. Oil level is now over there, so I'm confident to warm up the engine. There is enough oil in the engine, so I'm gonna warm it up again. Now, the oil. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Joe. So guys, that was my video about doing an oil change on a Kawasaki Z1000. This one from 2010. Is it easy? Absolute. Can you do it? I am sure. With this video, it's easy as hell. I'm sure you can do it. So, hopefully you enjoyed this video too. And if you do, please consider a subscription. I would really appreciate that. See you the next time. And for now, old mechanic.